Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and transfer your PayPal money to Revolut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to log in the account that you have your balance with PayPal, and from there you can just go ahead and navigate through the wallets category. Now inside wallets, you can then go ahead and see the balance of your PayPal account and all of the bank accounts that have you linked into the account. Now you can just go ahead and click on the link a card button, and from there you will be able to link your Revolut card. But if you want a faster way, you can then go ahead and click on the send payments, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on link an eligible debit card or bank. If this option doesn't work, you can just go ahead and click on the first option right here. Now once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and type in the necessary information that you have on your Revolut card, like the debit or credit card number, the card type, the expiration date, and the security code. And lastly, just go ahead and click on link card. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.